Hey, this is MT from Vintage Speed, and today I'm going to show you how to install a equal length header exhaust system, include our best quiet SS143. So basically, I'm not going to show you the unboxing, so I show you from put the stud and bolt and nut. This is super easy to put. First, you need to put the stud. Can you see the stud? To the flange just by hand, or we add some copper grease lubrication. You just screw in by hand. So you put 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 there, and you slide the gasket. Okay, and then you start put the headers. So it's very simple. So Kevin, can you do this side for me? Yes. So you just first put it on number 2 and number 4. And please do not fully tighten, just use hand. Make sure you just use hand. Or you can use socket, but do not fully tight, finger tight. So this is a video, complete video. We don't edit, we will not cut. Just show you how simple they are. So number 4, Kevin is fast. Okay. So number 4, I'm cheating. I use exercise. Okay, and then back side will be number 1 and number 3. And just put it on. So you can see how much time it takes. So this is our very popular equal length header, which has no heater box. But we do have heater box version. I show you other video. Okay. So when you tighten number 1 and number 3, and then we have flange here. Can you show the flange here? Yeah, don't forget to put gasket and 2 bolts and 2 nuts and okay, and washer, 2 washer. Just don't forget to put a gasket here. Again, everything is just tight by hand. Don't use tools, because this gives you a flexibility. We can adjust. Okay, now entire system is a little bit floppy, but it's okay. So I'm faster this time. So next, the stud prepared. Slide in. Okay, then we put nut. Okay, in this video, assume we put the nut already. So this is how it looks like. And after you put all the nuts, you can start to torque it up from 5 Newton meter, 10 Newton meter, and up to 15 Newton meter. That's it. Simple and fit very nice, all stainless steel. And this installation is for our equal length header style or SS143 Super Sport. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Goodbye.